In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of a 7-jointed articulated arm on a laser beauty machine. First, let's check the essential components: base ring, red aiming, clips and accessories, base, articulated arm, cutting head. Step 1. Install the base. Remove the preset screws. Position the base on the machine and secure it with 4M5 screws. Step 2. Red aiming setup. Attach the red aiming module to the base using the 2 black connecting screws. Step 3. Secure the base ring. Fit it firmly onto the base. Step 4. Mount the arm. Align and type 7-jointed articulated arm onto the base. Step 5. Connect accessories. Choose the required accessory and attach it to the end of the arm. Step 6. Cable management. Use the clips to secure the wire along the arm. Note: based on the diameter of the arm, select different sized clips to fix the cable.